Welcome to How to Schedule Reports. Let's get started. So you can schedule reports to run on specified days. So scheduling reports will automate the process and save time as you will not have to manually run the report each time. It can be sent to you via email or you can receive it under the report notification section. That's right here. So to schedule a report, we're going to hover over the Reports tab and we're going to click on Run Report. Then we're going to select the report in which we want to schedule. So let's just take candidate by requisitions. And as you can see, there's a schedule button on the right-hand side. So we're just going to go ahead and click on that. Now the report scheduler will display in which you can define your criteria for your schedule. So let's first start by selecting a frequency. So you can have the report run daily. You can have it run weekly. If it's weekly, you're going to specify on which day that the report will run. You can also have it run on monthly, and you can specify the day of the month. So if, as you can see the note here, if you input 28 or higher, the report will run on the last day of the month. So one thing to note here is that the reports run at midnight based on your preferred time zone. So we're just going to schedule this one to run daily. If your report has parameters, you can, as you can see, they'll be the same parameters as on your report. So you can select that. So for example, if you only want requisitions that are open, if you want a specific, an in-between requisition open date, if you want only a specific region, location, and so on and so forth. So you can go ahead and enter that information if you want. And then we can choose to send the report via email. And here we can, in terms of recipient, we can have users, we can have contacts, we can have employees receiving the report, or we can also select an email address of the person that's going to be receiving this report. You can select the file format, so it can be PDF, you can have a Word document, an Excel, a CSV document. So we're just going to go ahead here and I'm going to select myself. And one thing to note here as well is that once you receive the report via email, you're going to receive it as an attachment. And the size limit for that attachment is 10 megabytes. And if this is exceeded, a failure notice is sent to the user that has scheduled the report. So we're just going to go ahead and click on Save. So as you can see here by the little clock icon, the report is scheduled to run on a daily basis. As I mentioned previously, so if for any reason the attachment exceeds the limit, a failure notice is sent. If ever that does occur, you can hover over here and click on the history icon. That's right here. And if you have reports that ran, whether it failed or not, the reports will still show up here. So you're going to be able to access that from there. Now, there's a few things to keep in mind in regards to scheduling reports. And the first one would be that you need to have the right permissions to the report in order to schedule it. So if you don't have access to the report, of course, you're not going to be able to schedule that report. Secondly, you can only have one schedule per report. So if you want to have the report run monthly and weekly, that's not going to work. So you have to keep in mind that it's going to be one schedule per report. So you own the schedule, therefore it is only visible by you, with the exception of administrators that have access to everything. The report schedule expires in 90 days. So after 90 days, what you need to do is there's going to be a renew button. You're going to have to click on that button if you want to renew the scheduling. The owner of the report schedule will receive an expiry notice on day 85, letting you know that the report schedule is about to expire. So if you do not renew the report schedule, it will automatically be deleted on day 90. Now, if ever you want to modify the schedule, so you can just hover over your report that's scheduled, click on the schedule button, and here you can make any modifications that you need, and you can go ahead and click on Save. If, on the other hand, you want to delete it, then you can delete the scheduled report by clicking on that link. So when you click on the delete button, you're going to get a pop-up that says the report schedule will be deleted and it's not recoverable. So keep that in mind when you're going ahead to schedule your report. And as I mentioned, you can also access the report via the report notifications. I don't have any in there, but if I click on that, click on more report notifications, there's no notifications, but the reports that are there are automatically deleted after 8 days. So you're not going to be able to access them from there after that time frame. So I hope this video was helpful for you on how to go ahead and create schedules for your reports. And I wish you all a good day.